Hi my friends, and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I do want to thank you for watching. This video is about camcorders, and what we're going to do is kind of look at some of the best value. If you're interested in a camcorder, I'm going to be revealing 4 camcorders. 3 of them I think are excellent values, and 1 is an excellent value, but I want to share something about it with you that you need to know about. I'm going to reveal the top seller as far as a camcorder goes, and it may or may not be the right fit for you, but then I'm going to share 3 more that I think you'll find are extraordinary values. And these are camcorders that simply have the highest rating as far as customer reviews and are the most popular, so they're highest as far as customer demand. Before we get started, just a reminder that this channel is about growing your YouTube channel as well as making money online as an affiliate. If either of those are of interest to you, be sure to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you're going to get notified when these videos are published. Get ready for some exceptional values. Now, what you should be seeing behind me now are the top sellers as far as Amazon. These are the top sellers, the hottest products right now as far as camcorders based on Amazon. These are camcorders that people are buying, and they're buying them for a reason, and that reason is either price or performance or both. There are only 4 of these camcorders out of the top 50 are less than 4 stars. Everything else is at least 4 stars or better. The first one has a fantastic price. It's one of the best price camcorders with a lot of value. It's got nearly a 5-star rating, and it is by Abeloy, A-A-B-E-L-O-Y. It's by Abeloy, A-A-B-E-L-O-Y. The price is $98.99. The price that we found, the best price that we found, is $98.99 for brand new, no extra cost for shipping, no extra costs involved, and that compares the best price that we could find. Other than that was $109.99 on up to $279.99 for the same camcorder. And you're going to find links below, of course, to all these camcorders, all 4 of the camcorders. You'll find links below, so if you want to get more information about any of them or all of them. Now, the camcorder, the Abeloy camcorder, really delivers as far as what it can do. It's just it's an amazing piece of equipment, and it already comes with an external microphone, which is a big plus, and it comes with 2 batteries instead of 1, another big plus. There is a negative. It is a minor negative, but I think you need to know this, and it's simply that this particular camcorder does not come with an SD card, and you will need an SD card in order to run the camera. You don't want to buy the camera, get it delivered, and then, oh my goodness, I can't use it until I get an SD card. So I just want you to know that up front, so that if you purchase a camera, you can also purchase an SD card. Roughly $10 for an SD card, depends on how much storage that you get. And I do want to point out that there is a cheaper version, and I just want you to be aware of this also. There is a cheaper version. It's around $69.99, but it does not come with a mic, and it does not have the capability of a mic. And that is something that if you're going to go YouTube for a lot of applications, that may not be the right fit for you. This leads me to the #1 seller, which is really a great value for the money. This is a camcorder by Kick-Tech. It's $69.99. It really is an outstanding price. It's got a 4.3 rating as far as a review, and that's a strong review. Customers are getting value for their money, but there's a couple of things about this camera that you need to know. And #1, it does not come with a mic and does not support a mic. Now, the next one I want to share with you is almost 5 stars at a low cost, and this is a camcorder made by YIDA. It's YIDA Tech. It comes in at $89.99, and it comes in with a 4.9 review rating, so an outstanding value at an outstanding price. It comes with a ton of technology, should be able to do just about anything that you want to do, and also comes with 2 batteries and an external mic, and again, no SD card. Now the cameras that I've discussed are considered to be cheap. That's quite cheap for a camera of that caliber. Based on popularity, based on reviews, these camcorders should be worthy of your attention. That's what this video is all about. Next on my list is the highest ranked brand name camcorder, and it's Canon Vixia. There are a couple of brand names on there, and they didn't score so well. Canon Vixia did score well over 4.0. Also has a high review rating. It happens to be the camera that I purchased, and but if you're interested in a camcorder, if you're interested in a Canon or want to know more about it, you'll find a link here. You should find a link here, or you'll also find one below to my Canon review, which is a review of my Canon. It's a Canon Vixia HF R800. The camera alone, I'm very pleased with it. I got a great deal. There are 7 things about that camera that are negatives in a sense, but are certainly things that you should know about. So that's why I invite you to watch that video if you want to check out the Canon. A couple of outstanding features about the camera is that it has an unbelievable stabilization. It has unbelievable stabilization technology. And it also has 57 zoom. So it'll do some unbelievable things, including self-lighting, lighting adjustment. It'll do some pretty phenomenal things, but the camera's a little more expensive. Typically the camera's going to come in right around $300 for a brand new Canon Vixia camera. That's just the camera. And what I'm sharing with you is actually a Canon bundle. The package does include a tripod, but does not include a mic. The camera is most certainly capable of an external mic, and I happen to be using a Boya. I don't know if you can see it, but I happen to be using a Boya M1. As far as I know, that is the absolute best low-cost mic that you're going to find. And there is one of the 7 things that you want to know or need to know about the Canon is that when you use a mic, it has to have its own power, and the Boya at $20 has its own power. Typically the Canon is going to come with an SD card. If you buy this Canon in the Canon bundle, that would of course include an SD card, and most Canons are going to come with an SD card. Even at this price, it's under $300 for the whole bundle. That's considered to be a low-priced camcorder, and if you're familiar at all with camcorders, you know they can easily run $1,500 or more. So I'm trying to share with you 3 of the highest values, and again, that value is based on customer popularity. These are the top sellers at Amazon, and the highest rank, or some of the highest rated as far as reviews. If you like this video, and I hope you do, give it a big old thumbs up. Do that right now. I'd appreciate it. It's good for the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and ring that bell, and that way you're going to get notified every time these videos are published.